Hello, this is Andrew Darius, and in this video I will show you how to use ChatGPT to have best results from promoting any affiliate offer as an affiliate using email. As you see right now, I'm in my vacation house, my winter house in Olympic Village. You can ski behind me, but I'm still in working mode, and the launch of my Lidono application is today. So example I will give you for the affiliate promotion and rewriting emails will be based on my Lidono product, but I can use this technique for any other affiliate promotion. So what we want to do two things. We want to rewrite the subject lines, and we want to rewrite the body of an email so our emails can be completely unique. The same with subject line, which helps with two things. First, it helps with the email delivery to the inboxes, which is critical. And if you just send swipe email as it is, it will have a good chance to land in promotion folder or in, even worse, in spam folder, so your results will be like poor, right? And the second reason is that people like to read unique emails. If the same person get like 10, 15, 20 emails exactly the same, they will classify you as an affiliate, like a low quality affiliate. But if they get unique email, they kind of start reading your content because it's different, right? They see it as something unique, something fresh, so you will kind of be perceived as somebody who promotes, but at the same time provide more or different information for the same product. So let's go to it. So let's say I will copy paste this line here. So what we want to do is to rewrite the subject line first. I will write it in a quirky way. You can do it in a witty way or in the style of any information. So let's try a quirky way first. I will ask it to rewrite this as subject line. You want to specify what you want in quirky style, and now just paste it and let's see what we get. I think it's pretty good subject line. I would say give me 5 more examples, and we see what it will come up with. I would say those subject lines pretty powerful. So you can pretty much use any of those subject line. So here you go, you have 6 new subject line you can use, and pretty much nobody else or not many people will get this same exact subject line. So email delivery and email open rate, which is so important, will be better. So let's get the same done with the subject swipes. Let's see the first swipe. I will just take this one here. I will copy and paste it, and the same thing, right? So rewrite this as email body this time. Of course, we don't know subject line, body. My typing is not the best here, right? In quirky style, right? So let's see how it looks like after it is done. It's pretty good so far. Let's see. So have you heard about the brand new Lidono app, which is revolutionary LDO technology? Lidono allows you to easily capture verified emails with just a touch or click and grow your list viral on autopilot. I will not read everything, but it's pretty good rewrite. What you can do, you can try a different one. For example, let's say we do it in witty style. So write body this time, write that email body this time in with the style. Let's see what will come up here. Actually, I like this beginning. Here, do you see it? Are you tired of struggling to build your email list? It is pretty much the same start you would use for VSL. So it is like strong question opener. I like it. And then it goes on and explain heavy lifting done for the application and mention everything what is important in the source context. So as you see, that way, if you use ChatGPT to rewrite, in this case, Lidono emails or any other emails for any other affiliate promotion, you get more powerful and most importantly, unique subject lines and unique content body for a promotion. Thank you for listening. I hope to see you on Lidono launch, but even if not, enjoy this tip and use it for any other affiliate promotion. Take care and have a great day.